And even as the TMC faces widespread criticism over the Kolkata horror, this is clamour that is growing for justice. We see an internal revolt within the party. Now TMC Sukhend Shekhar, who has called for the custodial interrogation of the former principal and the current police commissioner, who had also led the initial probe. In fact, amid ongoing controversies, Ray has demanded that those who propagated the suicide story must explain why also the wall was demolished, and also identifying Sanjay Roy's patrons, questioning the delay in deploying a sniffer dog by 3 days are certainly all the angles that must be looked into. Remember, just a few days ago, after it was the Kolkata police, through the initial probe, calling it a suicide, and then, of course, facing the mounting pressure, also saying that Sanjay Roy is the prime accused. Mamata government has been facing massive criticism, and they themselves started raising fingers at the Kolkata police. Now, in the latest, we hear how TMC Sukhend Shekhar has called for a custodial interrogation of the former principal and the current police commissioner. He's also said that those who try to propagate the suicide story carried out construction work next to the crime spot must explain. And we move on as the Kolkata rape murder case that sent shockwaves across the nation. Demand for justice that grows louder, with CBI now taking charge. New developments that have surfaced. We'll take you through the latest in this report.
"10 days on, Abhaya still awaits justice." Evidence tampering. Crackdown on innocent protesters. Mamata protesting against Mamata. A lot has happened to botch up the probe in the heinous RG Kaur rape case. However, hope was restored when the CBI took charge over this investigation. Yesterday, the CBI conducted a psychoanalysis of the prime accused in this case. The second phase of psychoanalysis for prime accused Sanjay Roy is all set to take place today.
सच कब सामने आएगा ये सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन में देखना होगा। आपको ये भी बता दें कि एक तरफ जो पूर्व प्रिंसिपल है संदीप घोष, उनसे पूछताछ सीबीआई कर रही है, आज भी पूछताछ करेगी। तो दूसरी तरफ इस मामले में जो मुख्य आरोपी है संजय राय, उसका भी आज साइको एनालिसिस टेस्ट का जो दूसरा फेज है वो शुरू किया जाएगा। कल संजय राय का जो एक तरीके से कंसल्टेंट जो डॉक्टर्स यहाँ पर पहुंचे थे, एक सेशन पूरा उसमें कंडक्ट किया गया था। कई सवाल संजय राय से पूछे गए, उसकी वॉइस को जो है वो रिकॉर्ड कल किया गया था। तो संभवतः आज सेशन 2 जब इस साइको एनालिसिस टेस्ट का शुरू किया जाएगा तो उसकी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन को चेक किया जाएगा, और एक और जो सवाल जवाब जो का दौर होगा वो फिर से संजय राय से शुरू किया जाएगा।
However, big questions still loom large as psychoanalysis reports are not admissible as evidence under our legal provisions. Mohun Bagan and East Bengal fans came together to demand justice for Abhaya outside Salt Lake Stadium. Not only in Kolkata, fans also came together in United States and Germany.
We will continue this coverage of this case. It is not for us about the BJP versus TMC, not at all about Tuhin versus Tausif. It is about a daughter, a sister of the nation, and we are not going to let go of this case, irrespective of who's investigating. If CBI, tough questions to CBI also. For example, why psychoanalysis and not DNA? Because psychoanalysis is not admissible as evidence.
The CBI interrogated the former principal of RG Kaur, Sandeep Ghosh, till 11:30 p.m. and has again summoned him for 11 a.m. today. According to reports, the CBI has 30 suspects on its radar as a part of its investigation.
प्रिंसिपल संदीप घोष के बारे में विक्टिम पेरेंट्स ये बोल रहे हैं कि वो मिले ही नहीं, बल्कि जब भी हमने उनसे बात करने की कोशिश की तो उनके द्वारा ये बोला गया कि मेरे ऑफिस उनको भेज दीजिए। आप इसी बात से अंदाज़ा लगाइए कि इतनी बड़ा इंसिडेंट हो जाता है। उस मेडिकल कॉलेज के सेमिनार हॉल में एक लड़की का रेप किया गया डॉक्टर का, और उसके बाद उसकी हत्या कर दी गई, और उसी कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल विक्टिम फैमिली से ये बोलते हैं कि उनको मेरे दफ्तर भेज दीजिए अगर उनको कोई बात करनी है तो। और यही सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि सीबीआई पिछले 3 दिनों से संदीप घोष से पूछताछ कर रही है, और उनकी क्या कुछ रोल इस पूरे मामले में रहा है, उन्होंने जो कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू कराया उसके पीछे क्या वजह थी, तमाम ऐसे सवाल थे जो कि संदीप घोष को बहुत ही सस्पिशियस बनाते हैं।
After Shantanu Sen's removal as TMC spokesperson, senior TMC leader and Rajya Sabha member of Parliament Sukhendu Shekhar Ray urged the Central Bureau of Investigation to interrogate Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal and